Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how secure Blupeak is for storing your personal and financial information. When evaluating a financial institution, understanding the safety measures protecting your data is essential. Blupeak implements a multi-layered security infrastructure designed to safeguard your sensitive details against unauthorized access and cyber threats. At the core of its digital protection, Blupeak utilizes industry-standard SSL encryption technology for both online and mobile banking sessions. This process scrambles all data transmitted between your device and their service, ensuring that intercepted information remains unreadable to unauthorized parties. Additionally, their mobile applications certify devices to ensure that transactions are fully encrypted and secure. Beyond data transmission, Blupeak incorporates enhanced login security features, such as device verification. When logging in from an unrecognized computer or mobile device, the system requires an additional authentication factor, such as a one-time access code, protecting your account even if your username and password are compromised. They also employ state-of-the-art fraud analysis technology to monitor unusual account activity and automatically flag suspicious transactions. Members can further reinforce their security by setting up customizable transaction alerts via text, email, or push notifications. These notifications provide immediate warnings regarding low balances or unusual account changes, allowing users to catch potential discrepancies early. Combined with strict internal privacy policies governing how confidential data is collected, used, and stored, Blupeak maintains robust protocols to protect your financial footprint. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.